Hey guys, welcome back to your best lesson. Today we'll be looking on the Pentecostal hymns medley. One of you guys sent the song to me that if maybe I can add some fills and late or maybe a tight group bass line to the song to spice it up. And I said, okay, why not? So let me do it on YouTube so that everybody can watch, okay? And learn too. If you're interested, try to watch the video to the end because I'll be giving you 3 grooves from level 1 to 3 so you can join them together and maybe learn and master them and use them out there in any other song, okay? I also do private class lesson. If you're interested, you see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link to take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay guys, grab a bass and let's begin with the tutorial. So let's look at the first groove, okay? One, 7. It's like you're descending from 1 to 6. So 1, 7, 2, 3, 6. You understand? Okay. So now to your 2, 4, and 5. That 2, 4, then 5, 6, 2. Then 5. You understand? Okay. 1 da 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 7 2 3 6 2 4 5 6 2. Then 5. So now let's look at the 4. So that is 4 4 4 3. Okay, just understand the progression and learn this simple bass line so that you get a concept before we dive into the groove 2 and 3. Okay, so you have 4, your open string, that is your E string gives you your 4 and your 3. Now to your 2 and 1. So 3. So 3. Now your 2, 6 1 2 7 5 7 1. Okay, 7 5 7 1. Okay, so 4 4 4 3 6 1 2 7 5 7 1. Okay. So 3 3 3 6 to your 2. Now to your 5. So 3 6 3 6 2 6 2 5. You understand? Okay. Now to your 4 5 6 7 1 4. Okay. From 5 to your 4 5 6 7 1 4. You can just start from 6 7 1 4. Okay. So 4 4 4 3 to your 2. So put this in mind. 5 6 6 2 da da da. So da da da. 7 5 7 1. You understand? Okay, so let's continue. So 3 6 2 2 6 2 5 7 1. So master this first one alone, play along with it. Then now let's dive into the second groove. before you move to the fill. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 6, 7. Okay, then you play 3, 7, 3, 6. Okay. 1, 2, then to your 4. So 1, 2, 2, 1, 6. Then you hit your A string to give you your 4. Then to your 2, 5, 6, 2. Okay. 5, 6, 2. 6 to 5. You understand? Okay. 6, 7, 1, 4. Now to your 3. 2, 2 sharp 3. Now to your 2. 6, 3, 6, 2. 6, 3, 6, 2. Now to your 1. So 7, 5, 7, 1. 7, 5, 7, 1. That is your 3, 6, 2, 5. Okay. 2, 3, 5, 1, 7, 6, 6. Now to your 2. So when you're done playing 6, then you play 3, 6, 2. So 2, 3, 5, 1, 7, 6, 6. 3, 6, 2. Now to your 5. So I played on the 7. So you understand? So so 2, you slide to your 6. 2, 3, 2, 1, 6, 7. 6, 2, 3, 2, 1, 6, 7. So that's the lick I played. So when you're done playing your 7, 7, then 6, 5, 3, 2, 1, 6, 4. Okay. So you understand? So 2. Okay. Then to your 3. The same like the first one. 2, 2 sharp 3. Okay. So 4, 2, 2 sharp 3. Then 5, 5 sharp 6, 6, 6, 2. Then 7, 5, 7, 1. So I did something like this. So okay, 2, 3, 5, 6, 5, 3, 6. Then 2, your octave 2, 6, 2. Then to your 5, 3, 4, 6, 5, 5, 7, 1. So now let's move to the last group, okay? Six, 7, 5, 1, 6, 2, 3, 2. Okay, now to your 7. Okay, 1, 6, 2, 3, 2, 7, 5, 2, 7. Now to your 6. So 7 down, 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 down. Okay, 7, 2, 3, 3, 7, 3, 6. Okay, now let's continue. 2, 1, 6, 5, 4. Now to your 2 and 5. So 4 down, 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 down. 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 6, 2, 6 to 5. 6 7 1 4 5 5 sharp 6 2 2 sharp 3. Okay. So you play when you don't play your 2 sharp 3, then you play 5 1 7 6 6, then 6 2, then you're 7 and 1, the same 7 5 1. Okay, so 3 3 5 3 5 6 5 3 6. Now to your 2 and 5 progression. 2 2 1 6 2 2 5. So okay, 2 2 1 6 2 2 5. Then now to your da, 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 da. And I did a very nice play here. So when you're done playing this, da, da. Okay, so you play 5 6 1 so that you don't get confused. Da, then you slide. Okay, 5 6 1. Use your 2 string here, your first and your second. You see they're sounding with 2 notes, so you stop at your 5 and 2. So then your first string you'll be playing 5 6, but you still not remove your hand from the 2. Okay, so you see, so when you're done playing that, your thumb finger is to play your E string to give you your 4. It's like you're playing fa. Okay, so when you're done playing that, then play 7 1, but make sure that your E string is still playing. Okay, so then you play your 5, then you have your 3 here. You understand? So you understand? Now to your 2 5 and 1. When I finish playing the 3, I'm going to the 2. So 3 3 sharp 2 7 5 1. So something like this. 2 5 2 5 6 7 1. Okay, so master them very well. It's not gonna take just one day to master this. Keep on practicing this, okay, so that you can stick to your play, and whenever you see a tempo like this, you can just try to use them. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.